Hey everybody, what's up? Perfume Sample King here. We're going to go ahead and give you a quick crash course on decanting. Some hacks and educational tips only courtesy of perfumesamples.com, just like our atomizer. So, let's say you get something like this Prada bottle where it's a little uneven, heavy in the mail. Mine personally broke when I got it from Sephora or Ulta. Okay, it came broken. There's still some liquid in there that's stuck. We're going to show you how to get this out. Quick tip, you either get a razor blade or some scissors. Cut this out. Sometimes it'll pull out. There's your broken glass where it broke in the neck. Okay, here's the top. This is weighted heavily. That's probably why that happened. Get yourself a 10 milliliter syringe. Take this. Here's your little hack. Put it in here. Balance your bottle. Once you do, go ahead and suck up the liquid. Make sure you get all 10 mils. You can get it all the way to the last drop. Obviously, my syringe is full. I'm going to show you what to do with it. You just go ahead. Fill one of our travel sprays you can find on perfumesamples.com. Fill it up. You can take this with you. You can throw it right in your center console or glove box. Put the top back on it. This is Prada Paradox. We'll give it perfect color purple for women. Another one here. We got the 10 milliliter or a 5 milliliter roller ball. We can just take this, finish that off there. Fill it right to the very top. Wonderful. We're not going to lose any. Put the roller ball top on. Squeeze it down. You're going to smell absolutely beautiful. I love that smell. Okay, that's our first hack. Our second tip and trick is going to be our extraction. We got Versace Eros and another empty bottle. This empty bottle I'm going to use to put in my car, so I have some car cologne. Again, 10 milliliter syringe. We got the extraction. Take off the top atomizer piece. Then you're just going to hook it on here. Sometimes you got to push down a couple times, but as you see, the liquid will full force come up. Beautiful. Look at that syringe. Full. Pop this off. This off. We're going to undo the extraction tool. Get a little bit of that air out. We're going to put on the injection tool. Put it right on the top right here. You're going to push down. You're going to get a little overflow coming from the bottom part of the neck there. You just let it go, let it dissolve, and it's going to come right back down there. And again, if you feel the pressure's off a little bit, but there isn't enough pressure, then you just squeeze it again, and it'll all end up in the bottle. Okay, quick way to do it. Now let's just take a look here. All right, perfect. Next, we also got this tool. This is a quick spray tool. Okay, hook this on the neck. This is our Versace Eros atomizer. We had already started filling it. This neck swivels. And again, guys, this is just tips and tricks for educational purposes. That seemed to come off right there. We actually happen to have another one. But you get the idea. We'll get that out later. Okay, next up, we got the same thing. We got the Valentino, and again, a little micro travel spray. We're going to try to fill this up using our extraction tool. Perfect. Just enough for our travel spray. You're going to take off the extraction. You're going to put this other tool back on here. And you're going to push down ever so slightly so that it goes in and fills up. And your injection tool, you'll feel the pressure on it. That means you know it's working. It's an easy way to get your stuff from one travel spray to another. Okay, then go ahead and put this back on. Now look. We got 10 milliliters to travel on the go stuck in here. Okay, give it a firm press, put that back on. Next, we're going to show you how to do some quick travel sprays. Again, take this neck off of the broken bottle cap. You can also break one at the dollar store if you want. Take another 10 milliliter syringe, hook this on. Now a lot of times you'll get these little fancy minis. What I like to do with them is pop the top off. It's hard to get in there. You got your extraction tool, and we're not going to use the induction tool on this one. All we're going to do is put it into this car cologne. So this is a perfect diffuser. It goes in the cork. And it's a good way to utilize these minis. So you put this in here. Let's extract all of this. Beautiful. That way it doesn't go to waste. Your car is going to smell lovely. Go ahead and fill this up all the way to the top. And the reason we're going to fill it up so high is because you're going to want that little cork in there to soak up the first little bit of it to get the diffuser going. Okay? Give it one tip upside down to soak the cork. Back up. Now, on our car perfume, we got Yves Saint Laurent. How classy is that? Okay? Next, we got one more travel spray. This is going to be women, car perfume, same thing. Take that little neck of the bottle, our 10 milliliter syringe. Open up the Prada Paradox. This is the Eau de Parfum from earlier. Stick this tool in here. We're just going to go ahead and suck out everything that we can. Works beautifully. Open up one of our car colognes. Take off the top. Okay, push the air out. And then now you got a perfect gift for your spouse's car. Goes in there smelling like their favorite scent. Okay, again, the same thing. Put this on. Lift it up a little bit for the cork. Tip it to absorb it. Perfect car perfume. Next, we got one more tip and trick here. This is a dollar store cologne. We're going to show you what happens if something breaks. So the easiest way on these is to go ahead and just close your eyes, look the other way, break the top off by just wiggling it. The neck will usually come off pretty easy. And this can be any bottle, guys. You can do this to, you know, your Prada, your Gucci, whatever. Pull off that neck, that cap. Nice catch if I do say so myself. Okay. Now for these ones, we don't need the extraction tool. We can use an easy pipette. Okay. And we can put it in our own little glass bottle. Right here. And you would just keep doing that if you wanted to make your own little travel, you know, cologne for going up north or on vacation. Obviously, you can see how simple this is. Now, if you wanted to take it and put it into a travel spray that you had already had, like let's say from Bed Bath & Beyond or Bath & Body Works, you take the 10 milliliter syringe, pop the top all the way off, go ahead and fill up the pipette. It's going to hold it. It's something we're going to want to put your finger at the bottom here so it doesn't leak. Okay, I'm going to put the top back on, flip it over, we're going to get the air out, we're going to change, and we are going to put on one of our induction tools. Get the excess air out first. Once you have the induction tool on, you can put it on top of the atomizer, and you can begin to fill the atomizer just accordingly. Look at how perfect that's flowing in there. Alright guys, again, that's it. Perfumesamples.com. Perfume Sample King here. For any more hacks, tips, and tricks, go to perfumesamples.com and you can use code 25OFF for 25% off. Thank you.